Today, we're diving into the world of next-generation electric bikes, the models that are redefining power, comfort, and performance in 2025. Whether you're a daily commuter, an off-road explorer, or someone who just loves futuristic tech, this list has something built exactly for you. From ultralight carbon fiber bikes to high-torque off-road beasts, and from intelligent smart bikes packed with AI features to premium mountain machines, these 5 electric bikes represent the best of the best this year. Every model on this list offers something unique: more speed, better range, advanced suspension, lighter weight, and cutting-edge technology that takes your riding experience to a whole new level. So sit back, relax, and get ready, because today we're counting down the top 5 electric bikes of 2025, and trust me, number 1 will surprise you. Let's jump right into it. The Scott Lumen is a high-end electric mountain bike engineered for riders who demand top-tier performance in both city and mountain environments. Known for its exceptional craftsmanship, Scott has integrated some of its most advanced cycling technologies into the Lumen, making it one of the most capable EMTBs of 2025. At its core is a powerful yet compact motor that delivers torque efficiently, helping riders tackle steep climbs, rugged trails, and rocky descents with ease. The motor feels natural, providing seamless pedal assistance without overwhelming the rider, which is perfect for both beginners and experienced mountain bikers. The Lumen's lightweight carbon frame is designed for agility and durability. It combines rigidity with shock-absorbing properties to ensure stability on challenging terrains. The bike's high-performance suspension system, featuring premium air shocks, offers exceptional control and comfort, reducing fatigue on long rides. Whether you're navigating mountain routes, forest trails, or dirt paths, the Scott Lumen handles with precision, making every ride thrilling and smooth. Its wide traction tires improve cornering ability and provide excellent grip, giving riders confidence in all weather conditions. Riders can choose between different power modes depending on their environment and riding style. The bike also features powerful hydraulic brakes, ensuring quick and safe stopping even on steep downhills or wet surfaces. Though built for mountain performance, the Scott Lumen performs equally well in urban environments, offering excellent comfort, advanced suspension, and effortless power delivery. It's a versatile premium e-bike suitable for adventure riders, long-distance explorers, and commuters who prefer high-end engineering. With its blend of power, technology, durability, and professional ride quality, the Scott Lumen stands as one of the most elite electric mountain bikes of 2025. The Urtopia Carbon Classic represents the future of lightweight electric bikes, built for riders who value speed, style, and advanced technology. Crafted entirely from high-strength carbon fiber, the bike is incredibly light compared to traditional e-bikes, making it ideal for city commuters, fitness riders, and cyclists who prioritize efficiency. The carbon frame not only reduces weight but also enhances durability and shock absorption, giving the bike a premium feel and outstanding riding comfort. The Urtopia Carbon Classic is equipped with a responsive rear hub motor that provides smooth and swift pedal assistance, allowing you to glide through city streets effortlessly. One of the biggest strengths of this bike is its fully integrated smart technology. Unlike most e-bikes, the Urtopia Carbon Classic features voice control, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and even anti-theft tracking, all accessible through a built-in smart display. This advanced tech ecosystem turns the bike into an intelligent commuting companion. Riders can track their fitness data, monitor route history, and secure their bike remotely. Its advanced sensors can detect unusual movement, helping prevent theft and increasing overall safety. Despite being lightweight, the Carbon Classic doesn't compromise on comfort. The ergonomic saddle, optimized frame geometry, and vibration-absorbing carbon construction make it exceptionally smooth on both city streets and longer rides. Its battery delivers a decent range for everyday commuting, while the quick charge feature minimizes downtime. Safety is further elevated with bright LEDs, integrated brake lights, and sensitive hydraulic brakes that ensure smooth and confident stopping power. The Urtopia Carbon Classic is designed for riders who want a stylish, tech-loaded, and ultralight electric bike. Whether you're commuting to work, traveling around the city, or using the bike for fitness, it provides a premium riding experience that blends modern engineering with cutting-edge tech. In 2025, it stands as one of the most futuristic and efficient electric bikes available on the market. The Hovsco Hov GTRS is a powerhouse electric bike engineered for riders who prioritize extreme performance and modern technology. This e-bike is built for those who want maximum speed, high torque, and an adrenaline-filled experience both on and off the road. Equipped with a high-output motor, the Hov GTRS delivers immediate power, enabling riders to accelerate quickly and tackle steep hills without hesitation. The motor's efficiency ensures that every ride is powerful yet controlled, giving the rider confidence on all kinds of terrain. Its large-capacity battery allows for extended riding distances, making it suitable for long trips or full-day adventures without needing frequent recharges. One of the standout features of the Hov GTRS is its advanced suspension system, which includes both front and rear shocks designed to absorb harsh impacts and ensure stability on rocky, sandy, or uneven paths. Whether you're riding on paved roads or off-road trails, the suspension adapts to the terrain to maintain comfort and balance. The wide tires provide excellent traction and control, reducing the risk of slipping and allowing the bike to maintain consistent performance even in challenging weather conditions. With its reinforced frame, the Hov GTRS is capable of handling heavy loads and demanding riding styles, ideal for adventure riders, outdoor explorers, and performance enthusiasts. The Hov GTRS also features a comprehensive smart display panel that tracks key metrics such as speed, range, riding mode, and battery health. Riders can switch between different modes depending on whether they want maximum speed, extended range, or balanced performance. Safety is another area where HOVSCO excels, offering precise hydraulic braking, bright LEDs, and integrated reflectors to ensure optimal visibility during night rides. The frame geometry is crafted to promote stable handling and comfortable posture, even when riding long distances. With its combination of power, toughness, and smart features, the HOVSCO Hov GTRS is not just an electric bike, it's a high-performance machine that brings joy, excitement, and confidence to every ride. For those who crave power and adventure, the Hov GTRS truly stands out as a top contender in 2025. The Heybike Alpha is a cutting-edge electric bike built to redefine premium e-bike performance in 2025. With its sleek modern frame, integrated wiring, and futuristic design, the Alpha instantly looks like a next-generation commuter bike. Powering this machine is a high-torque mid-drive motor that delivers exceptionally smooth pedal assistance, making uphill climbs effortless and accelerating quickly on city streets. The precision of this motor allows for a more natural riding experience, matching your pedal pressure for maximum efficiency. Paired with a long-lasting battery system, the Heybike Alpha offers an impressive range that allows riders to travel significant distances without worrying about running out of power. For daily commuters and long-distance travelers alike, the Alpha becomes a dependable companion with consistent performance. One of the biggest strengths of the Heybike Alpha is its premium riding comfort. The bike features hydraulic suspension, which absorbs road vibrations and bumps with ease, making it suitable for uneven roads, urban environments, and even light off-road conditions. The ergonomic handlebars and adjustable seating ensure the rider maintains perfect posture, reducing fatigue during extended rides. Adding to that, the bike's fat tires contribute to stability and enhance shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and controlled riding feel. The quiet motor operation also enhances the overall experience, delivering a premium quality soundless ride. The Alpha includes a feature-rich smart display, allowing riders to monitor their speed, distance, battery level, and riding mode. It even integrates with mobile apps, enabling route tracking and performance analysis. Another notable feature is the advanced safety setup, which includes hydraulic brakes for immediate stopping power, high-visibility front and rear LED lights, and integrated turn signals for safer night and traffic riding. All these features elevate the Heybike Alpha from a simple electric bike to a fully integrated smart commuting system. The build quality is robust and engineered for long-term durability, with a weather-resistant design that protects internal components against dust and moisture. Whether used for daily office commutes, travel, leisure, or weekend explorations, the Heybike Alpha performs consistently in every situation. It's a premium all-rounder e-bike that blends power, comfort, innovation, and safety, making it one of the top choices in 2025 for serious riders who want more than just basic electric support. The Fedo Nomads is one of the most impressive all-terrain electric bikes of 2025, combining raw power, smart technology, and long-distance capability in a compact package. At first glance, the bike stands out with its rugged frame, fat tires, and adventure-ready design, clearly built for riders who don't want limits. The heart of the Nomads is its powerful brushless motor, capable of delivering strong torque that allows it to climb steep hills, accelerate fast on flat roads, and maintain stable performance even when riding on gravel, sand, or rocky paths. Paired with a high-capacity lithium battery, the bike offers an extended riding range ideal for long outdoor adventures, commuting, or daily travel without frequent recharging. One of the strongest advantages of the Fiido Nomads is its advanced suspension, featuring a dual shock system that absorbs bumps effectively, making off-road riding smooth and comfortable. The wide, puncture-resistant tires add stability and grip, enabling riders to explore tough terrains with confidence. The Nomads also includes an intuitive LCD display that provides real-time information like battery status, speed, trip distance, and riding mode, ensuring riders stay informed throughout the journey. Its riding ergonomics are carefully designed. A well-padded saddle, adjustable seat post, and upright handlebar positioning keep the rider comfortable on longer trips. Fedo also focused heavily on structural durability, using aircraft-grade materials that are lightweight yet strong enough to withstand heavy impacts and challenging conditions. Its stylish, modern aesthetic complements its powerful capabilities, making the Fedo Nomads not only a practical electric bike but also a visually appealing one. In terms of safety, the bike features a responsive hydraulic braking system, ensuring precise stopping power even at high speeds or on slippery surfaces. The addition of bright LED headlights and tail lights enhances visibility for night riding or foggy weather. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring mountain trails, or traveling long distances, the Fedo Nomads is designed to deliver consistent performance with exceptional comfort. With a balance of speed, durability, technology, and off-road capability, the Fedo Nomads stands as one of the most versatile electric bikes of 2025, perfect for anyone who wants to experience a true combination of style, strength, and adventure.